Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a DIY tutorial on how to make this beautiful Afro ponytail wig. It can be used for an adult, it can be used for a baby. So stay tuned and let's get started. Now I'm going to be using this Afro kinky for this, and I'm going to be using a yarn and crochet hook and needle. Now get a yarn, fold it into a knot and gradually tie it. Then put your crochet hook into the knot and take the leftover yarn which you will not be using and tight it. This is for it not to lose out. Now with the crochet hook, create a chain. This length of chain that I'm going to use. After creating a chain, I'm going to be forming the second base, and this is what I'm doing. I hope you're able to grab it by paying attention to see what I'm doing. So yeah, this is the second base and this is how it looks like. I'm going to turn it to form the third base. This method of crocheting is a beginner's friendly crocheting method. So even if you have not crocheted before, you can try this out. Just go ahead, grab a yarn and crochet hook and try this out if you want to learn how to do this ponytail wig. You can try it using a yarn and a crochet hook. I'm going to do this a little bit slowly so you see what I'm doing. This length I want to achieve, so I'm going to cut out the yarn. Then stop it. This is how I'm stopping it. Now this is the length. I'm making this for a baby. So what I'm going to do is to cut out the excess yarn that is remaining, or either you cut it out or you use your crochet hook and start fixing the excess yarn that is remaining. Start fixing it like you are crocheting it till the yarn is finished, or till when you are tired, just cut it out. And this length of a hairband of a baby skull. What I'm going to do now is to fold this and create a design at the front. I'm going to use my needle to start sewing. I've actually done something similar to this on this channel. So what I'm doing is to use my needle to join the four ends of the band together. So after I'm done, I'm going to turn it. There is two holes in it. I'm going to use my needle again to join the holes together and sew. Once you're done joining it, tight and cut out the excess yarn, including the one you are using to sew. I'm going to tie mine and cut it out. So this is how the hairband is looking like. This is how it looks like. What I'm going to do now is to start fixing the Afro kinky to it. I'm going to detangle the Afro kinky. The next thing is to take my crochet tool, put it in the hairband, and grab the Afro kinky, open up the hook, grab it and pull it out. Then take the Afro kinky back and pull it out. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to be repeating this again. And when crocheting it, I'm going to make sure that the Afro kinky looks natural to the hairband, like it doesn't look as if I fix it. So in that case, I'm going to put my crochet hook not at the top, not at the top of the hairband. Like putting the crochet hook almost at the top of the band, but not at the top. Then crochet your afro, drag it, open it up and pull it out, then tight it. So I'm going to be doing this also because this is a center, so I won't like it to come out just showing at the top. So we are going to do the same thing again by putting it not at the top, so it flows natural from the band. Like our goal is to make it in such a way that once you put it on, it will be like you are putting a band with afro wig, like afro ponytail. So I'm going to do this round the band. So guys, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. What I'm going to do now is to attach the front. So I'm going to use my crochet hook again and put it and take an afro kinky that I want to put as the design, and I want to twist it out, put it, then twist it. And yeah, this is how it looks. So I'm going to fold it and band it, give it a design. Yeah, so this is how it looks like, guys. This is how it looks from the inside. Tell me what you think about this wig. I made it for a baby, but an adult can use it as well. So I'm going to put it up as a ponytail, or you can also decide to section it and part it, but I want to put it up as a ponytail. And yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. So like I said, if you want to section it into two parts, you are going to put another crochet design at the center and do the same thing like this. So guys, this is how it looks. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have watched to this moment and you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, subscribe to be part of this family. See you in my next video. Bye.